See here in this problem. Here, for a load, if reactive power is 1.64 kilowatt and power factor is 0.98. So then how can you find the apparent power, average power and complex power for the given load? This is the problem. Here, reactive power is represented with Q and power factor is PF and average power is capital P and complex power is S. So for the complex power, the magnitude is called as apparent power. It is magnitude of complex power. Now I am going to find the apparent power. So here the given it is reactive power and power factor. So for the reactive power, power factor and apparent power, we have one relation. So that is apparent power is equal to reactive power divided by root of 1 minus power factor square. Now substitute here. So here reactive power is given as 1.64 kilowatt divided by root of 1 minus, so power factor is given as 0.98 whole square. By simplifying this, we will get apparent power equal to 4401.7369 voltage ampere, and this is the apparent power for the problem. Now find the average power. So average power P equal to apparent power into power factor. This is the relation. Here apparent power we got, this is the value, that is 4401.7369 volt ampere into power factor is given as 0.928. So by simplifying this, we will get 4084.8119 watts. This is the average power for the given load. Now find the complex power. So complex power, S is nothing but average power plus J into reactive power. So the average power we got 4084.8119 plus J, and reactive power is given as 1.64 kVAr. So overall units for complex power is voltage amperes, and this is the complex power for the given problem, and this is the average power, and this is the apparent power, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.